Can you survive a lightning strike? Can a person survive being struck by lightning? Surprisingly, yes. About 90% of lightning strike victims live to tell the tale. But survival doesn't mean walking away unscathed. Many face lifelong issues like memory loss, nerve damage, chronic pain, or burns. The outcome depends on several factors. How the lightning moves through the body, how long the contact lasts, and how quickly medical help arrives all play a role. So while survival is possible, the risks are extreme. Always seek shelter during a storm. Because with lightning, one strike can change everything.